Welcome back to another vlog. For today's vlog, I will be cleaning and painting my nails. So just keep on watching.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
So for today's vlog, I will be doing my nails. I'm just at home since all the nail salons are still closed. So I'll just paint my own nails. So I have nail cutter, a nail file, and then I have cotton pads, and I also have the cotton buds. I have nail polish remover to clean the corners of my nails later. And then if you've seen my grocery haul vlog, so I bought this two nail polishes from Sally Hansen. So those two will be using, and of course one of my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works lotion. It's the Gingham. Also, shout out to my cousin Mary Ann at Tamaan. She lent me this one, her nail drill machine. She just recently bought it because there's no way she could go to any nail salon, even me. I started going to where she goes, but they're closed. Like, I just borrowed it, so today I'm gonna use it. Never used one by myself before, but I think it's pretty straightforward, and I think this is the only tip that I'll be using since I would just need to buffer my nails. So first, we would be cleaning my nails with this nail driller. There you go. It's working. So just be buffering my nails. This is a bit ticklish. So I miss going to the nail salon. I usually have my nails done. That is usually what I do for my me time. So I just washed my hands with water. So now I'm ready to cut my nails and also file my nails. I think this is okay now. So now I'm gonna start putting nail polishes on my nails. So I'm gonna use two colors. Today is Thursday, May 14th. It's my older brother's birthday today. Architect Chef Michael. So now we're gonna put the glitters, and I'll show you guys how it looks like after. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like from plain nails to Bam Bam. Cute and stylish. So loves, my nails are done. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. Alright, I just finished painting my nails. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. It is so pretty. I didn't know it's gonna be super fun doing my own nails. I hope you guys can try this at home. You just need nail polish, a nail cutter, a nail filer, and a nail polish remover, and your choice of your nail polish. Well, for me, these two are my choices. So it has been fun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you can like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to get all uploads from Jolody Diaries. Bye guys!